Hi everybody, welcome back to Quick K-Pop Basics. Today we are doing shoulder isolations at part 1, shoulder shimmies, okay? So let's get started right away. I want you to imagine there's an invisible puppet string on your right shoulder and it's just lifting the shoulder up, but it doesn't move the rest of the body, okay? And down, and up, and down. Same thing on the other side. Left up, and down, up, and down, okay? Now, let's move them together. So, right shoulder goes up, left shoulder pushes down, and swap it over. Again, making sure the rest of the body is not moving, yeah? That's it, good job. It's okay if they're small, your body will get used to it. But we need to turn this into a shimmy now. So, a shimmy is just that, but faster. So we'll have one big one, and then 2 smaller ones, and then one big one, and then 2 smaller ones, and a big one, and small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big. And the more you practice these and the more you get used to isolating those shoulders from the body, the better they look, the bigger they get, and the more you can control them. So those are your shoulder shimmies for today. Tomorrow we'll be doing a full shoulder circle isolation. I will see you then. Bye-bye.